is coming, hey, so I decided to order this cookie. Oh. Chocolate is pretty good. There's walnut. I love the taste actually because it's not too sweet. The taste is pretty balanced. So for the Levine New York, I don't know how to say it. Levine, whatever. Levine New York with walnut. I'll give 8/10. Bro, I love it so much. Inside is melted but still have crunchy texture. Impressive. Okay, I'll give 9.5 for the pistachio. I will try the Vegemite with cheese. Okay, now I know. Nice combination. I just guessing though. Cheddar on the top, mozzarella inside. Oh, mozzarella mixed with the Vegemite. Because I just love her, but the pistachio is impressive. For the Vegemite, this 9.4. Like, follow, share, comment below. Ciao.